Okay, we're about to go to HJ's room and get him up for fishing. He's already up, but hey, HJ. Hey. You ready to go fishing?
Okay, that's too far. It's too far. Come on, get back over here. Back this way. Now.
Boy, you can't watch cartoons your whole life. You gotta get in the game and start fishing, boy. You ready to roll? Yeah. That's right. Get you a little snack, some apples and some Cheerios, and let's roll. You got that? Say Crappie Town, USA, baby! You ready, HJ?
Say Crappie Town, USA, baby. Crappie Town, USA, baby.
Crappie Town, USA, baby! Crappie Town, USA! Whether he want to play or fish, he looking to make a decision. Look at him. Hmm? Yeah, fish. Me and HJ, we better go. We're trying for a couple bluegills at the park while we over here at the waterfall spot. We haven't been seeming to get no bluegills to bite. Hey, pick that pole up. Pick that pole up. You don't drag the pole. You don't drag the pole. Pick it up. Come on. There you go. We'll find a spot down there. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Hey. All right, here. Okay, wait. Huh? Yeah, you're gonna see the pole. There you go. Crappie Town, USA, baby. This is how we do it. Right. That's okay. There you go. Get him. There you go. Now put him back in the water. There you go. Yay! Give me 5. Give me 5, man. Right on. Right on. That's how you do that. Look, grabbing the pole. Want another one, don't you? Look at he getting another one. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Crappie Town, USA, boy. All right, go ahead and put your wax worms up. Put them up. Yep, put them up. Put the top on it. All right, thank you. Now get your pole. Get your pole. All right. And let's roll. Here, hey, you got to reel it in. You got to reel it in. Here, reel it in. Yep. Reel it in. Reel them, you got them. Get them. Here. You got them. Oh, boy, you got, I told you he was going to get one. Here. Here, I need you to step back. Okay, step back. Oh, here. HJ got a nice bluegill. All right, let go. All right. HJ, he got that fish, boy. He got that fish. Yay. All right, you want to throw him back in the water? Okay, hold on. You're going to throw him back in the water, okay? All right, people. I appreciate y'all hanging in there with me. Just doing a little outing with my son. We caught plenty of bluegills. But as you know, with a 2-year-old, it's very, very hard to keep your eye on him and everything he's doing. Look at him now. See? That's what I mean. Yeah, that's the waterfall, son. Just a little segment. Kids edition of Crappie Town, USA. All right. Going out doing a little something with the kids, putting them in the game. Ain't that right, HJ? That's right. Fish. That's right. Yeah, we're going to get some. All right, y'all. Appreciate it. Just a little segment. It ain't all about us doing it. Sometimes you got to take the time out and let the kids do it. Have a little fun. Catch your bluegills, and we'll move them on up to crappies pretty soon. Crappie Town, USA, baby! Crappie Town, USA. In your pocket? Come on, get them rocks out your pocket. Look at it. All right, you stand right there by that tree while Daddy go get your car, okay? Stand by the tree. There you go. Stay right there. What'd I say? Stand by that tree. Okay. Here, okay, go. All right. Come on, follow the street. Let's go. Come on. This way. You're not finna ride down that way. Come on, this way. There you go. What's that right there? Huh? What's that? What's that right there? You see the dog? Come back here, boy. I heard noises too. You heard those noises? You got to investigate the noises, HJ. Boy, come on. You can't be investigating those noises. H. Yeah, I know. It come from down there. Come on. We got to go, man. Jay, we're going to go down here and fish. Okay? This way. Look. Look. Ooh, let's see what's down there. All right, park it. Park your car. Look it down. Look. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. You want Daddy to go first so we can see what's down here? I'm gonna see how you gonna do it. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Where your car? Okay, wait. No, you don't have to go get it. Come on. Raise them up, HJ. Raise them up. All right. All right. All right. Let's go back up. All right. We headed up. That's right. You know that hill steep. Go on it. Go ahead. Get it. Get it. Ah, there you go. He gone. He gone. You cleaning it out? Look at he cleaning out his car. Cleaning it out. Yeah, clean it up. There you go. He cleaning out his car, y'all. All right, you ready to roll? All right, we back on the go. Okay, so we finna go across the bridge. All right, go ahead, get in the car. Come on. Let's go. We're going across the bridge. Going across the bridge. We're gonna go for a couple bluegills up on this bridge. Up on this bridge, all right? All right, HJ. There you go, HJ. You got yourself another one, boy. Now you gotta let the pole down. Let the pole down. All right, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. The boy, you know, he got his own mind. You having fun? Yes. Okay, that's enough now. Beat my eardrums out. Okay, HJ, I need you to show the people what you're catching bluegills on. Show them the jig. Show them the jig. That's the jig. What's the jig? That's the jig. Okay. All right, now put it down and show them your wax worms. Show them your wax worms. Okay. Open them up. Don't wait. Don't spill them. Okay. Show the people what you, that's right. Show them what you're catching them with. Get a wax worm out of there. Get one out of there. Here. Now show the people. Here. Show it on the camera. Show it on the camera. That's right. That's a wax worm. Now put it back in there. Put it back. No, don't put it on the jig. Put it back in there. Put it in there. All right. Put your top back on it. All right, people, that's what he catching his bluegills on. Like I say, we apologize we couldn't get him on there all because this boy is rambunctious. He's rambunctious, y'all. I appreciate it. Okay, let's get it on. He still want to fish. All right, let's roll. Tell him peace. Peace. Tell him bye. Bye. Look. Oh. Tell him bye. All right. He really meant bye, didn't he? H, where you going? All right. Crappie Town, USA, baby. The little kid edition. What? Fish? No, we done fishing. We done fishing, boy. H, we done fishing, man. You done fishing. The kids section is over. Yeah. Kids section is over, boy. It's time for them grown folks to get out on this lake. Yep. What do you think you're doing? Yep, that's what we do. HJ, you can't do all of that, man. You can't do all that. Your mama will have a fit. People, we're just having some fun. We love water, love the lake, love the fish. Be right back. So he didn't caught his fish. He didn't ran around, and I was trying to wear him out, but I think he worked the other way around. He didn't wore me out. But it's almost evening. and it's time for the grown folks to start fishing. Y'all understand what I'm saying? It's time for grown folks to start fishing. Lay down, boy. There you go. See, that's how you want them. You want them laying down after they go fishing and playing. Yeah, boy. It was a part of some big plan, huh? To wear you out. Yeah. See, back in the days, you used to try to make the kids sleep, go to sleep, make them tired, so at the end of the night, you can go out and boogie a little bit. Go ahead and boogie a little bit. But I'm going to tell you, I'm grown now. That was child's play. I'm grown now. I try to get the kids tired so I can go fishing. You don't even get it, boy. You don't even get it. Yeah, that was immature stuff. Try to make the kids go to bed so you can go out and get a little boogie. I'm trying to go fishing with your mama. Just having fun, y'all. Just having a little fun. Yeah. Okay. Don't beat your daddy up on camera, boy. You got my glasses on. You silly, man. You beat me all up on camera. That's assault, boy. And I got a camera on you. All right, y'all. We just having fun. Y'all seen? Yep. He knocked out. That's how you want it. Fish, played, changed clothes, got him wet, changed clothes again. Hey, he wore out. That's what I aim to do. Now all I got to do is take him to his Nana house so I can go fishing. Crappie Town, USA, baby! Crappie Town, USA. He out of there. I done my job. Kids edition. HJ the Toddler, y'all. See you. Look at that catfish. Ooh, get him. You gonna get him, HJ? Get him. Get him.
Whoa.
Get him.